Before a time, space research was only meant for rich countries and people. USA and Russia were the only names known for aerospace achievements. NASA played the most important role in space race, sending the first man to the moon, creating history. However, nobody expected things to change soon. A young man, entrepreneur, more to a comprehensive designer, stepped into the space competition. Great challenges lied in his way as he told the world that he will settle on Mars. While space journey was assumed to be totally unimaginable for common people, he started a private company of his own to make the impossible happen. Today, it has launched its first man into space, promising sooner journey to Mars. SpaceX, and the man behind it is Elon Musk. One serious obstacle in the field of aerospace, namely launching rockets, is its cost. Just to build and fuel a rocket, billions of dollars are spent. On top of everything, upon the first launch, a rocket is useless. Elon Musk thought about it too. If a billion-dollar rocket is built, taking months to manufacture and can only be used once, how can one make it available for common people? Even if it's opened up, only the rich people can afford a journey into space. There came the idea of reusable rockets. Now it is ready and has already launched people into space. On Saturday, May 30, SpaceX Falcon 9 launched Crew Dragon's second demonstration mission at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. This test flight with NASA astronauts Bob Behnken and Doug Hurley returned human spaceflight to the United States. It is indeed a landmark to the future of aerospace. So, let's see how this SpaceX launch is going to change our future. Commercialization of space journey. Earlier in history, people traveled by land mostly. For prehistoric people, moving from a place to another using water as a medium seemed impossible. Later, rich and smart people started traveling by river and sea. Not long after that, everyone got to make it a common mode of transportation. The same thing occurred to air travel. Once it took some serious cost to book flight tickets. Now, almost everyone can have the experience. Like that, SpaceX launch marks the conversion of space travel to commercialization, open to anyone. Yes, it may seem slightly off our minds, but the possibility is still there. Now that we have reusable rockets, journey into space may actually become like taking a bus. You see, soon countries ahead in space research like the USA, Russia, China and India may start space travel services. Just mind that we are looking many years into the future. Civilization on Mars. Setting feet on another planet has been the dream of great scientists. Fictional films and novels have been produced to support this idea. In reality, the furthest man went is the moon, dating back to 1969. The large gap indicates that another human travel to our nearest planet is around the corner. Elon Musk is known to be the real-age Iron Man, achieving the impossible. Settling on Mars is one that he promised as well. As an impact of the success of reusable rockets launched, we can say this will lead us to travel to Mars in the future. It is because we will be able to land and return to Earth more easily. So, transporting required equipment and workforce to Mars can be shortened as we have cut down the time taken to build rockets. We are at the beginning of a new age in aerospace industry. The revolutionary achievements are not only inspiring the young generation, but also proving that the impossible can always be done with determination at command. So guys, hit the like button, comment your thoughts below, share and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content. Till then, stay tuned with Quantum Vimana.